So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing clothing haul as well as a try on. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these clothes from Pretty Little Thing with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in this video. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support me, help me buy new drag, and help create content for YouTube. If you guys don't know what Patreon is, I will link my Patreon down below, but it is pretty much just a paid version of YouTube where I upload more content, more behind the scenes stuff, and some risque content. So like I said, I will leave it down below, but I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in this video, and let's try on some cute clothes, shall we? Okay, so the first garment I picked up from Pretty Little Thing, I already have a look in my mind for what I want to do for it. I just don't know when in 2021 I'm going to film this transformation, but the first dress I picked up is a high neckline Cybertronic Fantasy. It has the amazing little half sleeve kind of attachments to the dress, which I absolutely love in a garment, and it was just something a little bit different, a little bit funky, and a little bit out there for me. So yeah, let me know what you think of garment number one. And like I said, at some point, I have a look in mind for her. The next piece I picked up from Pretty Little Thing combines so many different aesthetics into one garment, and it's kind of easier just to show you how busy and crazy this is, because it is a bright, neon orange leopard print animal dress with multicolor rainbow butterflies all over it, which, not gonna lie girl, is a lot of concepts put into one garment, but there's just something kind of captivating and kind of cute about it. So I'm hoping it looks good and snatched on my body, since it feels quite thin, but it's also quite stretchy. So hopefully if I have some good padding and corsetry going on, I can make this garment look cute. But yeah, for sure, it's a lot of ideas melded into one garment, but I'm kind of here for it. Okay, so just like the previous garment, this next thing I ended up picking up has butterflies on it, and it combines it with quite a oddie kind of bold and different print, because it is a blue butterfly newspaper print dress. Which again, I think Pretty Little Thing are just enjoying the melting pot of all different styles and garments and trends together, but there was just something that captivated me with this dress. This one does have some nice ruching up the side and kind of will hopefully give me a little bit more curve and sex appeal, but yeah, for sure, Pretty Little Thing is very much feeling literally pushing every trend into one garment, since this one is another very busy one, but hopefully again it looks good on my body, and you'll see it in the future, girl. Okay, so this next piece I can explain, and I know you guys are going to have questions about, but I missed a lot of my Halloween transformations last year, and I was completely gutted, completely devastated, but you know, new year, new me, I'm going to focus on new things and, you know, take my mind off it. But when I saw that some of their Halloween kind of looking dresses were heavily reduced in the new year, you guys know I couldn't resist but pick this one up. And I've wanted to do a full-on drag clown transformation for quite a while now and make it full extra theatrical, the works of it all. So when I saw that they did this really cute little polka dot kind of bardo dress with a matching little choker neck collar, I just couldn't help but pick it up. And for sure, probably for Halloween this year, you know, makes sense, I will do a full-on clown transformation to get my full-on fantasy in life, since, like I said, 2020 was not the greatest year for anyone, and not the greatest for my Halloween series, but I'm already looking for brighter, better things in 2021, and that includes some bum-ass Halloween stuff already in January. Okay, bitch, so the next thing I got from Pretty Little Thing is very much my vibe, very much my aesthetic, and very much something I've been gravitating towards more and more recently. And it is a absolutely stunning yellowy green mandarin collar dragon print dress. Everything to do with that is just my vibe, my aesthetic, my love in a garment. And I think if I wore this with a nice thigh-high black leather boot, I will feel like the sexiest, boss-ass bitch out there. And yeah, I just love this style so much. I appreciate this design and aesthetic so much, and you know I'm going to be wearing this in the future, girl. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is along the same kind of style trend, but it also combines it with floral print, which you guys know, florals for me are god tier in textile and just style and fashion. And this one again is another kind of oriental kind of Asian themed print dress, but it is in like a nice like kind of off the shoulder style longer sleeve moment. But yeah, everything about this just speaks to me. I have been watching this garment and it's been on my wish list for quite a long time on Pretty Little Thing, and you know, they had a New Year sale. I couldn't help but buy more things, and yeah, again, for sure, at some point I'm gonna wear this in the future, girl, and I'm gonna live my best life. Okay, so a couple of months ago now, I did a sponsored video for Pretty Little Thing, and one of the garments I really wanted on their website was out of stock in my size when I tried to do my order. So I added it to my wish list, and I was like, I'll be patient, I'll wait, it'll come back in a size 14 at some point in the future, and it finally did, girl. It is a absolutely stunning kind of galaxy looking print green combo dress. You guys know green is literally my favorite color of all time, and anytime I see anything with green in it, I can't help it. I just love it so much. It makes me so happy. I love anything kind of space themed and astrology themed, and I just hope it looks good and snatched on my body since I love this style of dress so much. Ugh, living. So this piece honestly looked a little basic on the model, and it's not like my favorite kind of style and fit of a garment, but there's just something about the textile and like the color of it that just kind of spoke to me, and it was something a little bit different because it's just kind of like a high neck kind of tank top fitting aquatic print dress. And at some point this year I want to do a full on like aqua kind of ocean eyes and like blues and like fun kind of mermaidy vibe look. So yeah, I kind of bought it for that, but yeah, it's alright. It looks a little basic to me, but it was only like £3, so I can't complain, girl. And then the final thing I picked up from Pretty Little Thing is probably my favourite garment I picked up in this clothing haul, since it combines all of my favourite colours, my favourite style, and my favourite like aesthetic, because it is an off-the-shoulder sage green with pink accent floral dress with nice like kind of extra sleeve moments, which literally all of those things combined is my aesthetic. It's what I always seem to gravitate towards, and it's funny how many like Bardo style dresses I have with like the extra sleeves and like in a floral print I actually own, but I don't really own too many like garments in like a nice softer kind of sage green, and this colour combo just gives me full on like watermelon vibes despite it being like floral. So yeah, there was just something special about this, something that really appealed to me, and I can't wait to wear her. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this Pretty Little Thing clothing haul. We're starting off 2021 with lots of new garments, lots of new aesthetics, and lots of new good vibes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything else I should be picking up, or what your favourite garment was in today's video. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about bonus days and extra content, extra things, and all the good things coming your way. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. That was actually a good tongue pop. I'm proud of myself. We're doing good in 2021.